Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. We're proud to make your favorite products every day. Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility, where safety and precision work hand in hand. Every ingredient is checked. Quality starts right here.
Our process begins with precise blending. Giant mixers churn the raw ingredients. Every batch is carefully monitored. We ensure the highest quality.
This machine runs continuously to dry the soap. These flakes are now ready for the next phase. We ensure quality in every flake. These rollers are the heart of our process. They create a perfectly smooth soap mixture. We ensure every bar is absolutely perfect. Quality is our top priority here. Every detail matters here. We make sure that every product is marked as perfect before it leaves this floor.